Are you looking for a profitable machine to generate income from home? Today, I present to you 14 easy-to-import pieces of equipment that can help you transform raw materials into products with high demand. Stay with me and pay very close attention to number 7. Many are already generating revenue with it. Number 1. Equipment for restoring smartphone screens. We start with a highly profitable tool within the technical sector, the screen separator and laminating machine. The process is simple and efficient. First, the separator applies heat to weaken the adhesive and remove the broken glass using a precision cutting wire. Then, the laminating machine places the new glass using vacuum and optical glue, leaving a uniform finish without bubbles. This system allows you to replace only the glass and keep the original display, which reduces the expense for the customer and improves the technician's margin. The investment can range between $300 and $1,200. With constant demand and the possibility of working from home or providing service to other workshops, it is a solid foundation to start in the repair business. And now, let's move on to the next machine that is also revolutionizing technical entrepreneurship. Number 2. Ultrasonic cleaning equipment. Here we are talking about turning technical cleaning into a premium service. An ultrasonic machine removes dirt, grease, rust, and microscopic residue from delicate and high-value objects. How does it achieve this? The equipment emits high-frequency sound waves inside a tank with a special liquid. These waves generate millions of microbubbles that collapse in a controlled way, an effect known as cavitation, releasing energy that removes dirt even in grooves invisible to the human eye. It is ideal for restoring jewelry, glasses, watches, electronic parts, or precision tools without scratching or damaging surfaces. The investment in a medium-capacity model can range between $600 and $2,000, depending on size and power. The cost per cleaning is low. The value you deliver is restored shine and professional care without harsh chemicals. You can offer it to jewelry stores, optical shops, or specialized workshops, even as a mobile service. With a stable client base, it is possible to reach income exceeding $3,000 per month. And if we are talking about equipment that saves time and multiplies profits, the next machine takes automation to another level. Number 3. Rotary roaster for coffee and seeds. We enter the gourmet segment with equipment that turns affordable raw material into a premium product. With a drum roaster, you can purchase green coffee or raw seeds at a lower price and bring them to the exact roasting point. How does it work? The drum rotates constantly while distributing heat evenly, preventing burnt or undercooked beans. The operator adjusts temperature and time to define the final profile, light, medium, or dark. That precise control allows you to develop aromas and flavors that industrial coffee usually does not offer. The investment for a compact model can range between $500 and $3,000, depending on capacity. The margin is attractive. Green coffee has a low cost and, once roasted and packaged, it can generate solid profits, depending on the market. The key is to sell freshness, origin, and sensory experience. You can create your own brand, sell online, or roast for third parties. And if we are talking about transforming raw materials into high-value products, the next machine takes that idea even further. Number 4. Desktop CO2 Laser Engraver. The next profitable machine takes you into the world of premium customization. A compact CO2 laser engraver can cut and mark detailed designs on wood, acrylic, leather, glass, or even pressed cardboard. How does it operate? It uses a carbon dioxide tube that generates a high-energy beam. That beam, guided by internal mirrors, hits the material and burns or vaporizes it with millimeter precision. Thanks to digital control, it is possible to create customized pieces, logos, and long-lasting finishes ideal for corporate gifts, decor, and exclusive products. The investment for a desktop model usually ranges between $400 and $2,500, depending on power and size. The differentiating value lies in permanent customization and the fine detail that other traditional methods do not offer. With business clients or online sales, it is possible to turn this equipment into a stable source of income from home. And now that we have seen the potential of customization, let's move on to the next machine that transforms production into profits on a larger scale. Number 5. Headlight Restoration Kit with Vapor Technology. This business model offers an immediate and highly profitable visual transformation. The system restores the transparency of cloudy headlights through a chemical process that is more durable than conventional polishing. How is it done? First, the surface is gently sanded to remove the deteriorated layer. Then, the equipment heats a liquid polymer that is applied as vapor over the headlight. That vapor reactivates and seals the plastic at the surface level, restoring shine and creating a protective film resistant to wear. The investment in a professional kit can be under $100, depending on the quality and included accessories. The cost per service is very low, and the profits can be high. The customer gains better nighttime visibility and a noticeable aesthetic improvement without replacing the entire part. In addition, it is a fully mobile service, ideal for home visits or working in parking lots and workshops. And if you are looking for opportunities in technical niches with constant demand, the next machine opens the door to another equally interesting market. Number 6. Computerized embroidery machine. This machine opens the door to the textile customization business with professional finishes. It allows you to embroider logos, names, and designs on caps, uniforms, jackets, or towels automatically and precisely. How does it work? The design is loaded digitally through software or a USB drive. Then, the system moves the hoop while the needle executes the stitches with accuracy and consistent speed. The result is uniform, repeatable, and with commercial quality standards on every garment. A single-head machine, ideal for starting from home, can cost between $1,000 and $4,000, depending on features and size. The expense per piece is low, mainly thread and stabilizer. The differentiating value lies in durability and in the brand image that embroidery offers compared to printed methods. Small and medium-sized businesses, sports teams, and fashion entrepreneurs represent consistent clients. And if we are talking about customization and efficient production, the next machine takes manufacturing to an even larger scale. Number 7. Compact shoe washing and drying system. This machine turns shoe cleaning into a specialized and profitable service. It automates the process for sneakers, boots, and other types of footwear, delivering a professional finish. How does it work? The pair is placed inside the compartment, and rotating brushes apply cleaning solution, while regulated water jets remove dirt. Then, the system activates drying with warm air and a disinfecting treatment, reducing moisture and odors without affecting the materials. A medium-capacity unit can cost between $1,500 and $4,000 depending on specifications. The expense per service is low, while the cleaning can be charged for several dollars. The value you offer is restoration, convenience, and care for products that many people consider a personal investment. And now that we have seen how to turn maintenance into steady income, let's move on to the next machine that also opens new business opportunities. Number 8. Hot vulcanizing press for tires. We enter a more industrial and specialized service. This machine allows you to repair deep cuts and structural damage in tires through controlled heat and pressure. How does it operate? First, the deteriorated rubber is removed. Then, uncured rubber is placed in the affected area, and the press applies high temperature along with constant pressure. That process fuses the new material with the original, achieving a strong and durable bond, much more solid than a conventional patch. It is a highly valued service for transportation fleets, mechanical workshops, and agricultural producers, where replacing an entire tire can be costly. The investment in a compact press can range between $800 and $3,000 depending on capacity and power. The cost of supplies is low, while each repair can be charged between $40 and $90 depending on the size of the tire. The main appeal is the savings it represents compared to buying a new tire and the increased safety on the road. And now that we have seen how an aesthetic improvement can become steady income, let's move on to the next machine that turns another everyday problem into a business opportunity. Number 9. Extruder for producing bar soap. This equipment allows you to create solid cosmetics with a professional finish and a strong profit margin. It is ideal for those who want to enter the artisan market with greater control and quality. How does it work? The already prepared soap base is fed into a cylinder through an internal screw or piston. The machine compresses the mixture and pushes it through a mold that gives it a continuous bar shape. This process, known as extrusion, ensures uniform density, firm texture, and a more refined appearance than soaps poured into homemade molds. A tabletop extruder can cost between $900 and $2,500 depending on capacity. The supplies, oils, fragrances, natural colorants. The differentiating value lies in offering natural, vegan, or therapeutic lines, segments that allow for higher prices. You can sell at fairs, specialty stores, or online platforms. And now that we have seen how to transform basic inputs into high-value products, let's move on to the next machine that also turns raw materials into a profitable opportunity. Number 10. Heat press for lanyard-style straps. This model targets the corporate market and operates by volume. The heat press allows you to print logos and designs on polyester straps used in events, credentials, and school uniforms. How is it done? The design is first printed on special paper with sublimation ink. Then, the press applies exact temperature and pressure. The heat turns the ink into gas and integrates it directly into the fibers of the material, achieving a permanent finish that does not peel or lose color with use. A specialized press can cost between $500 and $2,000 depending on size and power. The expense per unit is low, strap and printing, while orders are billed in large quantities, which improves the margin. Companies value speed and durability, especially when they need production for conferences, trade shows, or educational institutions. With corporate clients and volume contracts, it is possible to generate four-figure numbers. And with this 10th machine, we close a list focused on compact equipment that turns customization and production into steady income. Number 11. Diamond Tip Engraver. This equipment focuses on the personalization of metal items and valuable objects. It allows you to engrave jewelry, commemorative plaques, watches, or medals with fine and permanent finishes. How does it work? Through software, the design is loaded and the system translates it into precise movements along the machine's axis. A diamond tip, an extremely hard material, presses and slides over the surface, carving the engraving directly into the metal. Unlike laser engraving, here the material is not burned, but physically carved, leaving an elegant and long-lasting mark. A compact desktop version can cost between $1,200 and $3,000 depending on features. The value you offer is permanent personalization on objects with high sentimental or commercial value. With partnerships with jewelry stores and specialty shops, it is possible to generate stable, recurring income. And in this way, we continue exploring machines that turn technical skills into real income opportunities. Number 12. Press for manufacturing bath bombs. If you want to enter the creative cosmetics market, this machine allows you to produce bath bombs with a uniform and professional finish. It automates the compaction of the mixture to guarantee perfect shape and good durability. How does it operate? First, the dry ingredients, such as baking soda and citric acid, are combined along with fragrances and oils. Then, the press, whether pneumatic or semi-automatic, compresses the slightly damp mixture inside a spherical mold. The pressure removes air and achieves firm pieces that do not crumble when handled. A tabletop press can cost between $600 and $2,000 depending on capacity. The raw material is inexpensive, and each unit can generate an approximate profit of $1 to $4 depending on packaging and positioning. The differentiating value lies in offering an artisan product with the capacity for consistent production for wholesale orders. You can sell to gift shops, spas, or boutiques, and even create your own brand online. Number 13. Industrial machine for shoe and leather repair. This equipment is the foundation of a specialized workshop focused on high-quality restoration and repairs. The triple feed machine is designed to work with thick materials such as leather, canvas, or rubber without slipping. Why is it called that? Because the material advances through three coordinated movements: the presser foot, the needle, and the bottom feed. That combination allows you to sew soles, reinforce seams, and repair bags or boots with strength and precision, something a household machine cannot achieve. A durable unit can cost between $700 and $2,500 depending on brand and power. The customer values extending the lifespan of expensive items, from work boots to designer bags, and in this way, we continue with equipment that turns precision and detail into profitable opportunities within exclusive niches. Number 14. Equipment for assembling custom electrical extensions. We close the list with an option focused on technical solutions with constant use. This combination of an automatic cutter and terminal crimping press allows you to manufacture customized cables according to the length, gauge, and type of connector the customer requires. How does it work? First, the cutter precisely measures the required section and strips the ends of the cable. Then, the crimping machine secures plugs and terminals through pneumatic or hydraulic pressure, ensuring a firm and safe connection. This automated process reduces errors and guarantees proper standards for electrical products. The investment in the basic equipment plus initial cable inventory can range between $1,000 and $3,000. The differentiating value lies in offering specific solutions: industrial extensions, reinforced cables, or configurations that are not easily found in conventional stores. The margin comes from specialized work and customization, with profits that can range between $5 and $20 per cable, depending on the characteristics. By serving workshops, companies, or independent technicians, it is possible to surpass 4 figures per month from a small home workshop. There you have it. 14 compact machines you can use to build a successful entrepreneur journey and generate recurring income. Subscribe, hit like, and don't miss the next video.